Hey dolls, welcome back. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a twist out. You guys showed so much love on my last flat twist out tutorial. I got so many comments from you dolls letting me know how helpful it was, how many of you were able to learn how to twist out from the video. But then I also got a lot of comments from some of you saying that, you know, you love the style and it was super informative, but either your curl pattern isn't where you want it to be or your length isn't quite where you want it to be just yet. So I figured I'd do another twist out tutorial, but this time making it transitioner and big chop friendly. So if you happen to be transitioning, or maybe you just big chopped, or if you just want to see how I got these results regardless of where you are in your journey, keep on watching. So I'm going to start by spritzing water on clean hair, and then I'm going to apply my leave-in. I will have all products listed below, and I'm just going to take a little bit of oil to seal that moisture in and then twist the section up. And then I just like to put it in a bantu knot and keep it out the way. Then I repeat these same steps on the other half of this section, and I'm only going to have 4 twists in the back of my head total, so I'm just going to do 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Now for the front, you want to make a part right at the start of your ear, and this is going to be the section that we flat twist. So now I'm going to divide this section in half and do this on both sides. Once our sections are parted, I'm going to go ahead and spritz some more water, apply my leave-in, and then for the front, instead of sealing it with an oil, I'm going to seal it with a cream instead. Using a soft bristle brush to smooth these edges, per usual, and then I'm going to go ahead and detangle with my detangling brush. Now once this section is fully detangled, I'm going to go ahead and start to flat twist. Now I'm not going to go in depth into how I flat twist because I have a whole other video solely dedicated to teaching you dolls how I like to flat twist. So if you don't know how to do it and you're interested in learning how, I will definitely have that video linked below. But you're already here, so you might as well finish watching this, and then you could go ahead and check out that twist out tutorial and learn a little something about some flat twists. So I'm gonna have a flat twist on both sides of my head and then 2 more in the middle. Get this hair on my face. So this is a little trick that I like to use for one, to get these twists out of my face because I have sensitive skin and I do not need no wet hair full of product just chilling on my forehead. This also helps with making sure that I have an even curl all the way through my twist once it dries. After drying overnight, I took the back twists out of the bantu knots and now I'm gonna put them into a bun. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take my U-part wig from HauteKinkyHair to bring this twist out to life, and I'm using the combs to secure this onto my hair. Now this is how it looked when I first got it. This did come in a pretty natural shape and it already came with light layers. And there's 1 comb on each side, the back, along with an adjustable strap, and 3 combs at the top. Before I styled this hair, I did wash it. You shouldn't put shampoo directly on the hair, so I diluted it in some water and soaked the wig. Then I conditioned, detangled it, and let it sit for a few minutes in a plastic bag and then rinsed with cold water. Here's how it looked before it was styled. Then I made sure that the unit was drenched in water and I just used a tiny bit of cream to twist it. To take these out, I'm just unraveling each twist. I'm not using any oil. I really don't think it's necessary, but if you choose to use one, I suggest it's an extremely lightweight oil. I'm not being very particular with the way that I separate my hair either. I'm really just unraveling the twists and pulling the twists apart, breaking the curls up. I'm not going to twist around my finger for definition or anything extra like that. I'm literally just pulling the twists apart. But I do think this is a perfect alternative whether you're transitioning from damage, a big chop, or you just want a protective style. And whether you have hair similar to mine or maybe your curl pattern is a little tighter or a little looser, there are different units available for different hair types. So for the front of my hair, I'm not really doing anything different than I did to the back. I'm just gonna unravel my twists, not separating it, not doing anything extra, simply just pulling the twist apart. If you have any questions about my hair as far as the twists, how I take them out, how I sleep at night, anything regarding my twist, all of those answers can be found in my original flat twist out tutorial. And here's the finished look once all the twists are out. This looks so close to my original twist out. Like, does this not look like my hair right now? Seriously. You would not be able to tell that this is a whole U-part wig sitting on my head right now. And then after a few days, this is the look that I get. You guys know that curls only get bigger and better as the week goes on. So throughout the week, I did get a bit more volume, a little more frizziness, which I actually think just adds to the natural look and gives it more of a natural feel when you have little frizzies here and there. I definitely think this is super, super, super close to my original twist out tutorial. I would say the only difference with this is the shape. My natural hair normally doesn't have as much fullness on the bottom. I have more volume and fullness as I get to the top of my head with my layers. But I do like the way that this looks. I'm actually really impressed with the results. I do think this blends with my hair very, very well. There was definitely more than a few occasions where I was rocking a wash and no, just because throughout my transition from damage, heat damage, color damage, I had all those straight pieces and all, you know, like the scraggly curls that weren't really curls, but they were trying. And I think something like this definitely would have gotten me through that transition without those trash wash and goes, you know. And I'm almost 100% sure that any of you dolls out there who are transitioning or who just big chops will definitely benefit from this as well. So with that being said, guess what? I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway. Yes, I am going to be gifting one of you dolls with $250 credit to use throughout the site on any unit that you see, that you like, that you feel would be a good fit for you, that you feel matches your current curl pattern, whatever it is that you're looking for. I'm giving one of you dolls $250 to use site-wide with HauteKinkyHair. So to enter the giveaway, first you have to subscribe, which you should have been already. I mean, if you're not already subscribed, it's kind of like, what are you waiting for? Like, stop playing games, stop wasting time. Knock one of those rules out right now. The rest of the rules and details will be in the description below. It's also unlimited entries. I'm not holding it just one per person, so you can enter as many times as your little curly heart desires. So definitely be sure to check those details out below. Let me know your thoughts on this hair and what you guys think about it. If you haven't seen my original flat twist out tutorial, definitely check that out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Most importantly, I hope you guys learned something. And of course, I will see you dolls in the next upload. Bye.